Look what happens if you put one of these plants in your house. One of the most incomprehensible things for humans is the energies. Each one of us gives off good and bad energies according to their feelings and emotions. But what are the energies really? Well, they are intangible sensations that can attract or repel certain elements in your life. They are almost imperceptible, although there are some people with the gift of manipulating them. With the good energies we can improve our life. Aspects such as money, love, family or even happiness are issues that sometimes overwhelm us. But thanks to the cleansing of the energies we can always keep in balance and harmony. Of this a millionaire business has been created. Nevertheless, one must be very careful because it is possible that many times our fortunes. It is essential to know that there are simple and inexpensive ways to bring everything good to our families and to our homes. Methods like Feng Shui or other ancient arts that are based on placing objects in your home are some of the most effective ways to always have the good around us. Today we come with several plants that can bring good energy to your house. 1. Strawberries. It will only be enough that you put the leaves of this appetizing fruit and some paltos distributed in your house in a decorative way so that you attract the happiness to your surroundings. 2. Romero. It stimulates the lust and the energies of love. In addition, it can improve your memory and your mood. 3. Lucky bamboo. It is fantastic to attract good luck, prosperity and abundance. 4. Orchid. This plant releases oxygen at night and promotes tranquility and pleasure, so having it in a bedroom is ideal. 5. Lavender. Experts of the subject recommend sprinkle a little lavender on your pillows to have a pleasant sleep. This plant proposes tranquility and peace.